how to promote Temu affiliate links on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Temu affiliate links on Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Temu, you can also use my affiliate link on the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Temu, it is a rapidly growing e-commerce platform that has gained significant popularity in the United States since its launch, in which Temu offers a similar value proposition to AliExpress and Wish, focusing on providing inexpensive goods and can be shipped within a week or less to Western consumers. And now, in promoting the affiliate links in Temu, from here all you need to do is to simply go on the footer section below here and just proceed by clicking under company info. This affiliate and influencer earn commission. Upon clicking this one, you will automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show you under this affiliate section all of the things that you can start earning money. And it says here that they offer 30% commission and also 10% commission in here. However, in here, to start promoting affiliate links or products, we can simply click this pick items button right here. Upon clicking this one, it will show us in here a variety of items or product that we can start promoting on Instagram. So from here, all we need to do is to simply choose what kind of products we want to promote. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this bag. By clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, it will show us some of the details of this product, including the photos of it, the corresponding title, prices, and also the description of this product. So from here, we can simply copy this image or simply download some of these images of this product. And after successfully downloading some of the product image, we can now proceed by going to our Instagram.com. So just sign in your Instagram account in here. And after that, on the left side panel, just proceed by clicking this create button or option. Upon clicking this one, it will show you that you can start creating a post. All you need to do is simply click or select a computer files or the product image that we just download. However, the downloaded image from Temu is a web file type which is not accepted on Instagram. So all you need to do from here is to simply go back and kindly search on Google Lens. So we need to look for a specific kind of image that it looks like this, which has a file type of JPEG or PNG which is acceptable on Instagram. And for instance, I'm going to choose this image right here, and after successfully downloading the image, we can now proceed by going back on Instagram and kindly click this plus button and click or select the images that we just downloaded. And from here, it will show you the images. You could also filter and make an adjustment of this image. And after that, just click the next button on the top panel to proceed. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to simply add here your caption in order to encourage viewers or your followers to purchase the product. So you can simply go back on this page right here and copy this description or this product title and paste this in here. But before that, let's say I'm going to enter here Temu finds. Then I'm going to paste the description or the title in here. And after that, below here, we can simply add a context that says, click the link below to order. And after that, we can now paste the affiliate links of this product. So to do that, kindly go back on this page right here and click this earn up to button below here in order to see some of the affiliate link of this product. And it will show us in here some of the text. And in this item link, kindly copy this one. After selecting and copying this one, just proceed by simply go back on our Instagram account and kindly paste the link below here. And below it will show you that you can add here allocation, accessibility, advanced settings, and many more. And now after we add the affiliate links, we can now proceed by clicking the share button to start posting this affiliate product. However, there's only other way on how we can start posting on Instagram, in which we could also create a post using canva.com. And from here, all you need to do is simply go to the search bar and kindly search for the template, Instagram posts. Then you will be able to see here all of the result of Instagram posts, in which all you need to do is to simply choose which one is the best for your affiliate links. And you could also use these all filters, and on the left side panel, kindly click this price free in order to see all of the free items or templates that is offered in here. So I'm going to select this one and kindly click customize this template button. And upon doing so, we will automatically be directed on this page. And all we need to do from here is simply customize all of the elements in here, including the text, the images, and even the background of this template. So for instance, from here I'm going to change this context, and I'm going to change this into men's bag. And also for the context below this image, I'm going to enter here new design. Then after that, we can proceed by changing these images. And to do that, just go back to Temu and kindly copy these images right here, or the images that you want to promote. And after that, just go back to our Canva and kindly paste the image in here. And after that, we can now simply replace the image of this template into our product image that we want to promote, which is from Temu. So from here, we can simply delete the old image and can replace for our new one. Then also below, I'm going to change this context and I'm going to enter here Temu finds. And now for the background of this template, by clicking this one, clicking on the left side panel, it will show us a variety of color palette that we can choose. So all we need to do from here is simply select what kind of image do we prefer to choose. And aside from that, you could also use some other elements on the left side panel to start designing this template. And if you're now done designing your Instagram post template, we can now proceed by clicking the share button on the top right corner. And click this download button right here and choose the file type, which is PNG. After downloading, it will now show you that all you need to do is wait for it to load. Or alternatively, you could also direct it to your Instagram account in here. And after successfully downloading the template, all you need to do is simply go to your Instagram account. And to start creating a post again, just proceed by simply clicking the plus button or create button on the left side panel to proceed. So by simply clicking this button right here on this pop-up window, just select the computer images or files that we just created from Canva. And proceed by clicking the next button in here to proceed. You could also adjust or use filters in here to proceed, such as to adjust the brightness, contrast, weight, saturation, and many more. And after that, just click the next button from here. And all you need to do is to simply enter here your caption and make sure that the caption that you will enter here will encourage customer or viewers or even your followers to purchase this product using this post. So again, I'm going to enter here Temu finds new design men's bag, and the context, click the link below to order. And after that, we can now simply go back on our page right here and kindly downloaded or copy the link of this affiliate product. Or alternatively, aside from copying these affiliate links in here, we could also share all of this context by simply clicking this button right here that says share text. Upon clicking this one, we will automatically share this as a text. Then we can now go back in our Instagram account and kindly paste in here. And as you can see, we are now successful here, add the item link and also the whole context, description, and even the prices in here. But you could also delete this part, and if you want to simply copy the link, just proceed by going back on this page right here and kindly select again this item or affiliate link of this product. And after copying this, just paste this below here. Then you can now proceed by sharing or posting this content. So if your followers try to click the link, they will be automatically be directed on this page where they can start buying this product. And after buying the product, we'll earn a commission from it. And we could also track it or the commission on this page right here. So that is just basically how you can promote Temu affiliate links on Instagram. Thank you.